Hey everyone, I got this Amul Cheese Spread Oregano Pickle, so let's check it out. Okay, so this is a 200-gram pack and MRP is 109 and it has a shelf life of 9 months. So the packaging, it is wrapped with foil. As soon as you open the pack, along with the cheese aroma, you get mild scent of oregano and pickle. The texture is like typical cheese spread, smooth, creamy and spreadable consistency. It spread easily on bread. The flavor is herby and aromatic. Give a slight pizza-like feel. And taste, it is mild cheese but there is a hint of tanginess. The salt balance is just right. You can simply spread it on your plain bread, eat it, or you can make sandwiches with this. And this entire pack has 10 serving. One serving is 20 gram, which contain 11.2 gram of protein, which is really good, and zero added sugar. But since it is cheese, it has 13 gram of fat. So you can eat it in limited quantity with portion control. Overall, it's good, it's tasty. If you want to try something new, you can give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.